right, so I just wanted to post this video. I know it's late, but I wanted to show you how we could use a more advanced way to predict future terms in patterns. And I'm going to use this example. This is a pattern I created on the Growing Patterns assignment page. So this one here, Exploring Growing Patterns. And in this question, we had to create a pattern where you had the 10th term be 36. So I just kind of skip counted by twos backwards from 36, and I landed on 18. So then I realized that my pattern starts at 18 and grows by 2 each time. So now it's asking you to predict some crazy far away terms. So what is the 50th term and the 100th term? And if you wanted to, you could use a term value chart and just extend it one at a time until you get all the way to 50 and 100, and then you could decide what your terms are. So here we go. The 10th term is 36, so the 11th term is 38 because we're growing by 2 each time. The 12th term is 40, the 13th term is 42. This is going to take a long time, so you might be wondering if there's a quicker way to get the answer. So there is a quicker way. It is a little more complicated, so if you find it confusing and complicated, you could continue to do this. But if you wanted to try something more mathematical that will be more efficient, so take less time, you could try this. So I'm just going to start by showing you how this works using the terms we know. So if I wanted a quicker way to get to the 10th term, and I didn't have all this written down, I just knew my pattern started at 18 and grew by 2 each time. That's all the information I need. All I need to know is that the first term is 18. And then the next 9 terms are just going to grow by 2 each time. So the first term plus 9 more terms equals 10. That's how I'm going to get to my 10th term. And I know that each of those 9 terms is just going to grow by 2 each time. So I'm going to do 2 times 9, and that's going to land me on 18. And when I add those together, I'll get 36, which we know is the 10th term. Okay? So let's do something else. Let's go for the 50th term. Same thing. If I know my first term is 18, and I know I'll need 49 more terms to get to 50. I know that each of those 49 terms are just going to be adding 2. So it's 49 groups of 2. And let's do this mental math in my head. I know 2 times 50 is 100. And 49 is 1 less than 50. So my answer should be 1 group of 2 less. So if my answer for 2 times 50 was 100, 98 should be my answer for 2 times 49. And then I put those together. 90 plus 10 is 100. 8 plus 8 is 16. And that gives me an answer of 116. And that is the value of the 50th term. So way quicker, more mathematical. All right, let's figure out our 100th term. First term equals 18. That's not changing. That's why pattern rules are so important. We always know what our first term is. And the next 99 terms are just going to be 99 groups of 2. So let's do the same mental math strategy. 2 times 100 is 200. So 2 times 99 would be 198, which is 1 group of 2 less. And we'll jump down here and do some adding. So let's take 2 from my 18 and add it to 198. So that gets me to 200. And then I have 16 left to add. So 216. And that is the value of the 100th term. So continue to use whichever strategy you prefer. This one is simpler, but it will take longer. And this one is more mathematical, a bit more advanced, but you will get to your answer quickly. Thanks for tuning in and checking out this video.